Alright guys, we're down here with Van. We're going to fish this Todd's Fork for some smallmouth bass. It's getting up in the evening. It's probably about 5 o'clock, so we'll get at it and see what we can get. Kind of looks pretty nice though. So here we go. I'm going to start off with this little grub. And I think he's got a frog on, don't you?
Try this frog first and then go to a Ned rig.
Alright, so we're going to get at it. Anyways, I got like a little 2-aught hook, a 4-inch venom grub, and a little Woo tungsten weight there. I think that's like a 3/16 ounce. Van's got one hooked up. Still a smallie. Did you get him on that frog? All right, look at that. Well, we did not get skunked. What's that thing run? About 3 or 4 feet deep? There he goes. He let it go. It's back in the creek. Let's try to get over there along that rocky bank. Fish this current break right here. Fun. Woohoo! Got another one, boys. That's a largemouth. Yeah. Gotta love that. Hit that little grub. Put him back. Yeah. Woohoo! So got another one, boys. About dropped him. There we go. It's not a bad little smallie. Let him go. Woohoo! A little venom grub's paying off today. This little hole's not that deep, but if you look at the little current breaks and stuff, I've caught bass out of it before. Right there was one. Oh, I missed him. Got tangled up too. That's not good. Come on off of there, baby. Look at that. I still got him. Woohoo! I thought I missed him. Got another one, boys. It's a little baby, but it'll work. Put him back. Get my little grub going again. But if you notice, I cast right over there in that current break. I felt him hit. I thought I actually missed him. I guess he was swimming either toward me or downstream. And I was tangled up there a little bit. But now we're good. So you can see there's little pockets all down in there where there's possible smallmouth. So just dragging that little grub right along the bottom. Texas rigged. I'm gonna throw right up into that current there and bring it right down this brake line right here if you see it. Some smallmouth hang out in all them little current breaks and eddies. And woohoo! Look at that. Huh? I think so. You want one? Another little baby. Gotta love it though. Hit that grub right off that current brake right there. Put him back. Look at that. They are loving that venom grub today. Woohoo! Look at that, boys. You gotta love that. Huh? Mwah. Give him kisses. You got that grub to be a big one. Again, that came right off that little current brake over there. Oh, that's 3 out of this little hole. All right. Van's got one on. Look at that. Woohoo! That's not a bad one. All right. Van's got another one. Woo! That's a pretty good one too. All right. That's a nice one. Look at that. Woohoo! Gotta love it. I think that's the best one of the day, ain't it? Huh? It's about the same, ain't it? A little bit bigger. Love it. Got that on that grub? Nice. All right, we got him back. Got one on, boys. Woohoo! So got another one, boys. Gotta love it. Put him back. So that little woo weight, that little venom grub there, that 2-aught hook is doing the ticket today. Boys. Woohoo. Yeah, it's a little one. But it's all fun. Gotta get the hook out of him. Ah, there he goes. There they go. I ain't gonna hurt you. Not a bit, not me. Love me animals. Van's hooked up. All right. Woohoo! Might be able to get you another one out of there. Some of them's tricky, ain't they? Alright. Woohoo! Alright guys, I don't know how many Van's got today or me, but we got a few smallmouth. I was throwing this little Woo tungsten weight here, that's an 1/8 of an ounce. A little 4-inch grub with a 2-aught hook, spinning tackle, fishing the creek for smallmouth. I think Van got a couple on a little Rebel frog, and I think he got a couple on the grub too. So, but we're going to be heading out of here. It's getting up in the evening now. The sun's getting ready to start going down, and we gotta hike it back to the car. So we're going to be calling it a day. I hope you guys like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll get back with you.